Hello everybody, you're getting me at my front door because my books have arrived. A recipe to recycle has arrived and I have to haul 10 boxes of books upstairs, so this will be a fun journey. So I'm going to show you. We put them in my living room because it was raining today and books rain not the move, so I'm so excited. So let's haul these upstairs. Oh my gosh, carrying these all up the stairs was not fun. However, we are here to open the box of books. I picked box number 9 out of 10. There's 10 boxes. Each box has 80 books. Do the math, 750. But this box is like busted on the sides. So I think I'm just gonna open it. Paper. Let's see. Oh, they added a sheet above. Ooh. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. These are so awesome. These are in what? These are in bundles of 8. This is so cute. Okay, let's open one. It smells like fresh recycled, 100% fresh recycled paper. This is nice. I changed the cover weight of the book to be a little thicker because, hold on one second, let me grab the print proof. I changed the cover paper to be slightly thicker than the print proof because the spine was really tiny. I don't know if you could see that. So I'm happy the spine is a lot bigger than what the proof was. However, I am noticing that like the paper used, well, it's a little more matte than the cover. Oh my gosh. The end pages, beautiful. Ooh. But it does look like all the paper inside is not shiny, it's more matte, which shouldn't be. I wonder if they used a thinner paper for this stuff. Because like, let's compare. Do they look different? I would say so, a little bit. The one on the left is a little more vibrant. That's interesting. However, the colors are still popping in comparison. They're still beautiful. This is so cute. They are adorable. Everything is very pretty. And then in the back we have our 7 steps on how to recycle right and our DIY t-shirt tote bag instructions. And then the back end pages, and this is just so perfect, so beautiful. And the spine looks great, you can read it. Here's the front, and the back looks like this super cute little grocery bag with our little tomatoes. And then this book, as you can see, is made from 100% post-consumer recycled waste paper and printed with plant-based inks. So I wanted to make this as environmentally friendly as possible, same as my first book. I wanted to be able to create a story on an environmental topic and be able to follow through with that by providing you with an environmentally friendly children's book because I would feel hypocritical if I created a book about the environment and helping the planet and did more damage to it by not choosing the sustainable, better options. So, and recycling goes with the theme of the book, so that's super awesome. But yeah, this book is 100% post-consumer recycled paper and printed with plant-based inks. This book comes out on October 29th. I'm so excited. October 29th, this month my book is launching live on my website, Green Adventures Publishing LLC.com. You can follow Ryland's journey and learn how to reduce your waste, and you can teach your kids how to reduce their waste. You can teach your parents how to reduce their waste. This book is for everyone. Everybody can learn about the 7 R's of recycling, because there is more than just reduce, reuse, and recycle. There are lots of steps in between, before and after each of those steps, so we need to make sure we are doing all of those so we can properly recycle. And that is how you create a recipe to recycle. So go ahead, if you're interested, head over to my website on October 29th, this month. October 29th, coming soon this month, October 29th. It is like so close yet so far away. Head on over to my website and grab yourself a copy on October 29th. I did run a Kickstarter campaign, so if you did receive and purchase through Kickstarter, I will be mailing those books out here pretty shortly. This book was written by me, Jade, and illustrated by Evelyn Asteria, who is also the illustrator from my first children's book, Evelyn the Environmentalist Takes on Climate Change. If you're interested, don't forget, October 29th, go ahead, grab yourself a copy on my website. I am going to be doing a bundle deal, so if you want to get book 1 and book 2, there will be some sort of discount on that, but go ahead, head on over to my website and grab yourself a copy on October 29th. Hope you all enjoyed unboxing with me. I know it's like short and sweet, but honestly, I am so excited to have this book in my hands, and I'm ready to get this book into your hands. So if you're interested in learning about the 7 R's of recycling, head on over to my website on October 29th, and you can grab yourself a copy of my children's book, A Recipe to Recycle. This book retails for $15.99, so go ahead, grab yourself a copy on October 29th.